If you think someone else logged into your Snapchat, here's how to check that quickly and easily. First of all, check your Snapchat login history. And for that, go to your Snapchat and tap on your profile icon at the top left. After that, tap on the gear icon to open your settings. Here, scroll down to privacy controls section and tap on my data. After that, log into your Snapchat account. Then tap submit request to download your data. After that, you will get a download link via email. Open it and download the zip file. And inside it, open loginhistory.html, and this file shows dates, times, IP addresses and device types that access your account. Next, check for suspicious device, and for that, go back to the settings and tap on two-factor authentication. Here, tap on forget devices, and if you see any unfamiliar device names or location, that's a red flag. You can remove unknown devices right there. And if something looks off, change your password immediately. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these, and thank you for watching.